In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel for the next 20 to 30 days, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you are an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we're asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? The prominent item of import for the US include crude oil. US import a lot of crude oil, and that accounts for about 6.37% of the total import of the US. Then followed by cars. US import a lot of cars, and that accounts for about 5.11 or 5.11% of import of the US. Remember, the import of US is 3 trillion. That means 10% of this is about 300 billion. 5% is about 150 billion. So US is importing about $150 billion worth of cars. So let's dig deeper into it and look at it segment by segment. Now, there's something I noticed about US. US import a lot of machineries. So when you look at some countries and you look at the category, because I have about 20 categories I'll be looking at. When you look at categories of items being imported, you notice for some countries, the major item, sometimes it might be food, sometimes it might be raw materials. For the US, it's machineries from broadcasting, and this accounts for 916 billion. Remember, the total shipment is about 3 trillion. So this is almost 10%, sorry, almost 30% rather, of the total import of the US, from broadcasting equipment to computers to office machine parts to integrated circuit, insulated wires, gas turbine, valves, semiconductors, electrical batteries, video display, blank audio media, electrical transformer, engine parts, electrical heater, electric motor, liquid pump, excavation machineries, transmission, large construction vehicles are top on the list of items imported by the United States.